we have is AIPath that lets PMs, VCs simulate product journeys before building. From go-to-market strategies to user testing, they offer a digital twin approach to validate assumptions early. So next we have David, please.
David, please.
Hello, Southeast Asia. Usually I say hello, Singapore, but I've met people from the Philippines, Taiwan, Thailand today. I'm very happy to be here. I'm the founder of AIPath. A $17 billion problem is the 90% of startups that fail every year. This is an average number of the past 10 years of VC funding that's gone into very promising startups. Why are we failing to get to product market fit? If you're a founder or a VC, do you know where growth will come from? Do you know which feature to build next? Do you know which customer niche or sub-niche or even sub-stakeholder within your go-to-market will be the source of your growth coming next? I've led innovation for 7 countries for EY Parthenon, business model design at Samsung Product Innovation. I've mentored or judged at over 30 accelerators. And I can tell you we do not have the data to perform the amount of strategy that we need to do. Strategy also cannot be static because our competitors are not static and our product is also not static. We're trying to solve 2 critical data gaps. Understanding our customers at the level that will allow us to prioritize what features to build next. So AIPath is about what to build next and clarity on where growth will come from. There is a missing piece. There are no tools for strategy. Think about it. We communicate strategy in communication tools. These are tools like slides and white papers. So therefore, strategy is not calculatable, it's not testable, and it cannot be iterated with data in a prescriptive way. There are always too many good ideas, and currently, strategy comes from your strategy team, your innovation team, your CTO, and your product leader are arguing about what we build next. Meanwhile, marketing and sales are off to the races, deciding on their own what value propositions they should be launching to market. These are all silos within very large organizations that I've worked with. Where are the tools for strategy themselves? How do we make choices? There are tools in everything else for CRM, for finance, for product management. But Jira and Miro do not help you identify the opportunities. Your research doesn't plug directly into them, and you don't know what to do next if something is working or not working. AIPath aims to solve that problem. We help you do the world's most advanced customer journey mapping. No kidding, in a 17-minute or a 3-hour demo, we can do 17 stakeholders for any customer segment that you want to look at. Identify what missing features that you don't have, that your competitors have as weak points to help you capture market share. We then don't trust the AI on its own. We create the validation experiments so you can instantaneously start to test with real customers. From there, we then prioritize based on the business impact that your company needs. If churn is a problem, if activation is a problem, AIPath will give you independent strategies per customer segment. And from there, we don't use AI on its own, so we advance compound AI, which means that we are continuously learning from the experiments we help you conduct to feed back into the model, because strategy is not static. Strategy must iterate. So we help you solve strategy gaps, execution gaps, and growth gaps. We help you focus on where to win. And in a nutshell, AIPath is helping you turn research at the customer level into experimentation to test before you build. And from there, we learn from those tests and we output the product requirement documents. We output the business impact of feature set A versus feature set B. We then output the needs of the product team, the marketing team, and the sales team for them to execute as experiments. And the most important thing is that this is a self-reinforcing loop. So AIPath is always learning on what are the best next steps for your product, marketing, and sales teams. We bring this unique data and insight into a marketplace and a multi-sided platform, building a proprietary data set. We help investors and accelerators manage, yes, their pipeline, but we help them rank the completeness, the product market fitness of the startups in their pipeline. And then we help with strategy on the startups and agency side. In fact, product managers, CTOs, chief revenue officers and sales leaders are also using AIPath, and the agencies that support them are also reinventing how they go to market and how they deliver value for their clients. We bring these as network effects. We are currently at 650 startups, 19 MNC trials. We're almost at 40 MRR per month. We went live in November fully. We are targeting reducing the wasted engineering that's happening today, because if strategy wasn't a problem, we wouldn't be failing to get to product market fit, i.e. we are building things that nobody wants. So we are currently building partnerships and demos with some of the world's largest companies. We've recently won the AI Agents Global Challenge. It's $1 million prize for our work in bringing real-time data to teach AI in the end-to-end workflows of product marketing and sales teams. We're currently pre-seed. We're raising 1.5. We are at $650,000. We're looking to close our round in July. Look out for us on Channel News Asia coming soon. This is what the tool looks like, helping you understand per customer segment that you're targeting, what features you should cement in your go-to-market, what features you should build, and if you want to be transformative, what you should do next. Try it now. Literally take a photo of the QR code, enter your URL, and in 17 minutes, you'll have at least $200,000 worth of enterprise-grade management consulting and in 3 hours with AIPath, you'll be far in excess of what you would do in a 10-week accelerator.